U.S. stocks were in the red by more than 1% this afternoon, led by weak jobless claims reports as well as investor disappointment concerning Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke's speech in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Now, in economic reports, the results today were not positive. This as consumer credit figures did fall to a reading of $12 billion in July, this from a previous reading of $15.5 billion. Meanwhile, initial jobless claims figures disappointed, unexpectedly rising by 2,000 to come in at a reading of 414,000. And at the same time, we did see the U.S. trade gap narrow in July, coming in at a reading of $44.81 billion from $51.57 billion. This therefore marking the largest decline in that figure by nearly 2.5 years. And at the same time, investors this afternoon were all focused on Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke, who had a speech in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and he did announce that the Fed is willing to provide more support to the economy. However, the chairman failed to provide a detailed plan. Now, you team that with investor uncertainty concerning this evening's address to Congress by President Barack Obama, which is expected to present a $300 billion package, and only 26% of the roughly 2.6 billion shares trading today on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange were in the green. Taking a look to see how the Dow Jones has closed out today's trading session, it has declined more than 100 points, 119.05 to be exact, to settle in at 11,295.81. In today's market movers, we first begin with shares of Google up a slight bit, 0.25%. This after purchasing restaurant review firm Zagat, declining to offer any transaction details about the purchase. And shares of Yahoo at the Nasdaq rising 4% intraday. This after activist investment firm Third Point disclosed that it has purchased roughly 5.2% of the company today.